Hello learners, welcome to this video on using AI generated animations to enhance your YouTube videos. So today we will explore how you can create engaging 5-minute videos using innovative AI tools. So AI generated animations are not only cost effective but also save time. As you don't need advanced animation skills, they allow you to create unique and engaging visual content, perfect for storytelling or explanatory videos. There are several tools you can use for creating AI generated animations, like deep motion for realistic character animations, animaker with its easy drag and drop interface, runaway mail for advanced motion capture, and did for facial animations. So how you can structure a 5-minute video? A well structured 5-minute video keep viewers engaged. Start with a hook in the introduction, provide content, dive into the main content, and end with a conclusion that includes a clear call to action. So there are few tips for maximizing engagement. To maximize engagement, use vibrant colors and dynamic animations. Maintain a fast-paced narrative and incorporate sound effects and music. Always end with a strong call to action. So you can start today itself. Ready to get started? Explore these AI tools and let your creativity flow. Make your YouTube videos stand out with AI generated animations. So for you, I have come up for like few more AI tools that you can go through. So all these are like bit of free and bit they charge. I think after that you can explore all these and they are going to help you to create AI generated animations and videos, everything. So I hope you like this video. If you found this helpful, please do subscribe the channel and like and share the video. I will meet you in the next video with more interesting content. Thanks for watching.